If you want to make consistent color and style changes across multiple clips in CapCut, an adjustment layer is one of the easiest and most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you how to add an adjustment layer in CapCut, how to apply edits to it, and how it instantly affects everything underneath on your timeline. This is especially useful when you want to brighten an entire scene, add contrast, boost saturation, or create a unified look without editing every clip separately. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is already on the timeline. Before you can edit an adjustment layer, you need to have one selected in your timeline, so click on the adjustment layer block and make sure it's highlighted. If you don't already have one added, you can usually insert it from CapCut's editing tools and place it above the clips you want to affect. Once the adjustment layer is on the timeline, it will sit above your video clips and act like a filter or editing layer for everything underneath it. Now, with the adjustment layer selected, go to the Adjust menu. On CapCut PC, this is usually found in the top right panel. This is where all the main controls live for changing the look of your footage. Inside the Adjust panel, you'll see options like brightness, contrast, saturation, HSL, and curves. These tools give you a lot of control over the final appearance of your video. For example, if your footage looks too dark, you can raise the brightness. If it feels flat, increase contrast to make the image pop more. If the colors look weak, boost saturation to make them more vibrant. You can also fine-tune specific colors using HSL, which is great when you want to adjust only certain tones without changing the whole image. And if you want more advanced color control, Curves lets you shape the highlights, shadows, and midtones with much more precision. The best part is that any changes you make to the adjustment layer will instantly apply to all of the clips underneath it. That means you can create a polished, consistent look across multiple scenes in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver compared to adjusting every single clip one by one. It also helps your video feel more professional and visually connected from start to finish. So, if you're editing a vlog, a tutorial, a cinematic video, or even a short-form social clip, an adjustment layer can help you keep everything looking clean and coordinated. Take a few moments to experiment with the sliders until you get the look you want. Small changes can make a big difference, so it's usually best to adjust gradually instead of pushing everything too far at once. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing the rest of your project, knowing that your adjustment layer is doing the heavy lifting in the background. And that's how to add and use an adjustment layer in CapCut. It's a simple feature, but once you know how to use it, it can completely speed up your workflow and improve the overall quality of your edits. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.